Hi everyone. Today I want to tell you about one of the most remarkable places in my hometown. Is Waikambas National Park, a famous wildlife conservation area located in East Lampung, Indonesia. Surrounded by villages and vast forest landscapes, so visitors immediately feel like they are in the nature, like they are stepping into a world is quiet and more natural than the city. Getting there is quite straightforward, though not completely effortless. Most people travel from Bandar Lampung by car or this motorcycle, following the main road for about 2 hours maybe. The road is generally smooth, but the closer you get to the park, the narrower and more rural the road becomes. It's not that difficult to reach, but visitors should be prepared for slightly bumpy ride during the final stretch. And when you arrive, the scenery changes instantly. Waikambas is dominated by wide open grassland, dense forests, and wetlands, creating an atmosphere that feels both peaceful and adventurous. And the park is huge, thousands of hectares of protected land, so you never feel crowded. The air is fresh, like nature, like I said before. The sounds of birds echo everywhere, and sometimes, if you are lucky, you can even hear elephant in the distance. And if you are asking what makes this place is truly special than others, is that it's the one of the oldest elephant conservation centers in Indonesia. It's not just a tourist destination, it's a real effort to protect endangered species. You can observe elephant close up, watch them bathe, or see how trainers take care of them. There are many places in the country where visitors can have such an intimate yet responsible wildlife experience. There are many activities to enjoy. There are observing elephants in their natural habitat, watching the elephant training session, or just bird watching. Watching the bird in Waikambas is known for its rare bird species, and just taking nature walks or simply enjoying the peaceful scenery. For the best time to visit is usually in the morning or late afternoon, and especially during the dry season. The paths are easier to walk, the weather is cooler, and animals are more active around those times. Around the entrance of the park, you can find small stalls selling traditional snacks like pisang sale, is famous in Indonesia, in Lampung, and then keripik pisang and local souvenirs featuring elephants. While simple, they add a charming local touch to the whole experience. And Waikambas also has a strong cultural and historical background. Many locals still tell stories about ancient forest spirits and early settlers who lived near the area. For the people of Lampung, Waikambas isn't just a park, it's a symbol of connection between humans, animals, and nature. People from my hometown visit this place quite often, either for school trips or family outings, or simply because it's one of the most iconic spots in the Lampung. I still remember the first time I visited. I went with my family when I was very young. I was so amazed the moment I saw an elephant walking calmly just a few meters away. The memory is still one of my favorites. It was the first time I realized how big and gentle elephants can be. My favorite memory is watching an elephant splash water everywhere during bedtime. It shocked everyone nervy, including me, and my whole family couldn't stop laughing. Moments like that make Waikambas feel warm and unforgettable. I always recommend Waikambas because it offers something deeper than entertainment. It teaches visitors to appreciate wildlife and to understand why conservation matters. It's peaceful, educational, and truly unique. For future visitors, my advice is simple. Just first, come early. 2. Wear comfortable shoes for walk in nature. And then bring water if you don't want get thirsty. And be patient. You are entering the animal's territory, not the other way around. Well, I want to go back. This question is unique. Absolutely yes. Every visit feels different because nature is never the same twice. In the end, tourists should visit Waikambas at least once because it's one of Indonesia's rare parks where nature, culture, and conservation come together beautifully. You don't just see the place, you must experience it. Okay, that's from me. Thank you very much for your attention and thank you for watching.